Okay, welcome to challenge 11. In this challenge you've got to create yourself a triangle calculator. So the idea being that you enter the first angle and a second angle, and it will calculate the missing angle in a triangle. So let's give you an example. So if we do 45 and 45, it should say the missing angle is 90. Let's have a look. There you go. The missing angle is 90, and it also calculates, finds out what kind of triangle it is. So, for instance, there it says it's an isosceles triangle, and then it waits a couple of seconds and then chucks you out of the program. Let's have a look. Let's just run that one again. Let's try one more time. Let's try with 60 degrees and 60 degrees, which should have the remaining angle of 60 degrees. And it should be an equilateral triangle. Excellent, good stuff, perfect. And also your program should also check. So if you put some ridiculous numbers in, so let's say we check for 95 and 95, it should work out that it's not valid values. Let's have a look. Let's have a think about it. There you go. Invalid angle size entered. Please try again. There we go. And it should kick you out of the program in a couple of seconds. There we go, done. So that's challenge 11.